Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a lava lamp type paint pour. You're going to need the colors listed below. I don't know how to pronounce them, so just screenshot that real quick. I'm going to be using paint thinner, floetrol, and coconut oil and WD-40 and just mixing them in with a little bit of paint in each cup. All these things can be found at your local Home Depot or Walmart. In my experience, I find that it's very important to use the Deco Art Premium type of paint or you won't get the same results that we're looking for today. In these cups, I'm adding a small amount of WD-40 and coconut oil and just a little squirt of paint, and you want the rest to be filled with floetrol. So now that your colors are all mixed, you want to just make sure that you have the right order of what you want it to look like. Just remember that black should go on the top and the color you want to see the least will go on the bottom of the canvas because that most likely is going to be swiped off. Now using a piece of paper, you just want to run that over all of the paint. Don't press too hard, just press slightly enough that you're going to get that weird bubbly feel to it. And now you're just going to tilt the canvas to try to get the best look for it. You want to get that lava lamp look, so feel free to tilt the canvas in any way you feel looks best.